How to print on Epson F570 die sublimation printer. Step 1. Launch your editing software and select the image. Step 2. Go to File and click on Print. Step 3. Ensure that the Epson SC-F500 series is selected. Step 4. Click on Print Settings, go to Paper Size and select the size. Step 5. Scroll down to click the printer options, then go to Printer Settings. Step 6. Open the level drop-down and select Max Quality. Step 7. Click on OK, then click on the Save button. Step 8. Click on Print, then click on Proceed if asked. Step 9. Receive your print. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.